Ryobi 18 volts hand vacuum. Time for a test. Great suction and is very quiet. To detach, push down. Remove filter by turning counterclockwise. Filter housing easily detachable. Clean leftover debris off the vacuum. You can wash these parts, but make sure vacuum parts are completely dry before next use. Reattach filter housing to the dust bowl. Insert filter and turn clockwise until it locks. To reattach, align the slot on the bottom of the dust bowl to the tab on the motor housing. Follow for more.